Get something?
Yeah, an old piece of a lure. Looks like an old piece of a hook or something.
Wow.
Like a piece of an old, I guess, bungee hook or something.
A gross looking little worm.
Yep.
What the?
It's a hook with pantyhose because they put bait in there.
Oh.
There we go. That's not
Oh, nice find. It's a real flashlight.
Magnolite.
Ooh.
Magnolite Mini.
That's one of them little fancy ones.
Yep. I'll have to.
Yeah, let's see if we can clean that one up.
Yep.
Oh, there's something on there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, it looks like bottle cap maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, first bottle cap of the day.
Odds and ends.
Nail and
Nail. I'm not sure what. No.
oh,
Well, it used to be. Maybe
almost looks like a little battery.
or something. Screw and
Something on there.
also got something hooked on the rope.
And there's something on the bottom of the. Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay. And one of them little. Yeah. Wow. Well, that doesn't look like that's been in there very long. That's pretty clean.
Hooks and lures.
There's something on the bottom of there. I think it's another bottle cap, maybe. Yep. And some hooky thingies and
swivels.
stuff. Oh, what? Oh, dang it. Oh, I don't know what that was. It was something big and metal. Probably another fishing lure or something.
Battery.
Oh, another battery. Junk. Got a little thing. A bunch of fishing line. Ugh.
The jig. Old lures. Big old screw.
Another screw.
Another screw and another little jig.
Nail clippers.
Yeah,
Oh.
Old nail clippers.
Yeah, very old. Been there for a while.
Swivel.
That's our first nail clippers,
Yep,
isn't it?
It is.
Cool. Nothing? Just hooks.
Yep.
It's a first. It's a first.
Wow.
Wow, that's a pretty decent one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a
Maybe?
nice clip on that.
Oh, and a weight and a big old hook. Our first murder medal.
Frost cut cuttery stainless.
And then hook and weight.
That's really good for our water.
That's just nasty. Yeah, and there's something on the bottom. What is it?
It's just. I wonder if there's a casting net in there, because that almost looks like one of those weights off of it. Maybe that's what I was tangled up in.
Could be. Yes. Oh, pink.
You get
Yeah. Something on there. Another screw. Pieces of hooks.
Yeah.
Fishing line again. Yeah, I see something on the bottom of there. Oh! Ow. A magnetic leaf? Awesome. Man, a lot of those. Another screw.
Yep.